Heard mixed reviews about Syncios Location Changer? Before you install it, let's take a quick look at how reliable it really is. In this video, we'll test its setup, GPS teleporting, movement simulation, and overall performance so you can decide if it's worth using. Part 1, Syncios Location Changer, Overview and Key Features. Part 2, Syncios Location Changer, Security and Pricing. Security. No jailbreak route. Hides real GPS. Clean, official files. Encrypted payments. Free updates. Pricing. Monthly, $24.95. Yearly, $29.95. Lifetime, $39.95. Free trial. Discounts available. Part 3, Syncios Location Changer, How to Use. Open Syncios Register. Enter email and code. Connect unlocked phone. Tap Trust. Click Next. Select Teleport Mode. Choose Location. Click Start. Check GPS location. Part 4, Syncios Location Changer, Strengths and Shortcomings. Part 5, FAQs about Syncios Location Changer. Q1, Save favorite locations? Yes, you can save locations and routes for reuse. Q2, Internet required? Only for install, login, and syncing. Not needed constantly. Q3, Multiple devices? Yes, but depends on the license. Extra devices may need another plan. Part 6, What could better than Syncios Location Changer? How to use. Install and open the tool. Get started. Connect iPhone or Android via USB. Select Teleport Mode. Search or enter coordinates. Click Move.